Hi, welcome to PDF Tips. Here's how to remove a digital signature from a PDF file. So first of all, you need to install Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you haven't done already, there's a free trial in the description of this video. So once you have that installed and open the actual file, you'll see the digital signature here. Now to actually move it completely from the PDF, you right mouse on it, click clear signature. That leaves a box open there, and then you click on prepare form at the side, or you can go into tools menu, look down for prepare form, click on that. Then you can right mouse on the signature box and click delete, and then it's totally removed from the document. So now you can click close, it goes back to normal mode, and then you can click on file menu, save as, desktop, to whatever new file you want to save it to. So I'm going to save it to A. So that's your new file without the digital signature. So it's that easy to do. Give it a try.